When the night is heavy and hope feels low, when the tears keep falling and I don't know, still I hear your whisper through the storm I'm in. My child, my mercy will rise again. Your mercies are new every morning, fresh as the dew, like the dawning. Grace for today, light for the way. Jesus, you never delay. Your mercies are new every morning, and faithful you are through the night. Your mercies are new every morning, fresh as the dew, like the dawning. Grace for today, light for the way. Jesus, you never delay. Your mercies are new every morning, and faithful you are through the night. When the past keeps calling with shame and fear, you remind my spirit I'm always near. Not consumed, I'm carried by your hand. Your compassions forever stand. Your mercies are new every morning, fresh as the dew, like the dawning. Grace for today, light for the way. Jesus, you never delay. Your mercies are new every morning, and I before you all through the night. Great is your faithfulness, O Lord. You are the same forevermore.